Couple of days into our trip, we went on a whale watching tour on a catamaran by the company called Seaborn. It was lots of fun, and we even saw some whales, as you can see in this video. I hope you enjoy this little mini vlog of Madeira on the water. The excitement started to build as we heard there were some whales in the water. As you can see on the right hand side up top, there is a couple poking out. As a bonus, we also saw sea turtles hanging around the boat for a little while, but they didn't like it too much and soon said goodbye. Back on land. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more adventures.